Wala sa babasa sa service.
Dili mag So, good afternoon guys sa inyo. No? Thank you for giving us time. So, we are a major in English man, so we try our best na speaking of English. No? So, our research is about English speaking difficulties among confident learners. So, we'll use this for basis for enhancement program. So, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Wow.
Yes, I am. Okay, so the start for the research question number one, the topic here is the main question here is what are the experiences of confident learners regarding their English speaking difficulty during classroom interaction? So the first question talaga is uh, how do you usually experience difficulty when speaking in English during classroom interaction?
There was a time during recitation that I knew the answer, but I couldn't say it English. Sometimes during reporting is I have the answer on my mind, but di na ko siya truly ma-express or magawa sa akong thought because mahadlok ko nga mas i-judge ko when it comes to communication kay ako mga pagka-person is kanang always confident ko bisag asa.
Mm-mm.
So kato lang point is pag maulog ko kung expose ang sagili when it comes to that.
Mm-mm. So, kani unsa imuhang English speaking difficulty sa imong makuha na ba kay kuan sa pronunciation, vocabulary, sa choice of words?
Sometimes vocabulary and also the structured of sentence. Di na kayo nako siya ma-practice kay usually manggod kay more on because karma nga generation is more on technology and because of technology dili kayo more on study more nag-rely na ta sa on social media so di na kayo ta maka-learn on it.
Okay, so mao po na murag bad side sa kanang murag
Mm.
technology. Okay, move on from the second question. First question, rather. Second question is, in what situation do you find it difficult to express your ideas in English during class discussion or activities?
I found it difficult during reporting and presentation. During reporting, Jude was a very hard to me. Kini mo mga situation na yun is di mo matest imuhang self-confident on how you delivered a message on how you conveying information. So from that, maglisod ko kay basta pag namo ko sa tubangan is syempre naanjud dira ang kakulba so sa from that dili ma-mental block ko ka so that's why mong mga kuan ko lang part.
Mm, okay, so let's move on from the third question. So, what are the challenges do you encounter when trying to explain your thoughts clearly in English?
um I have ideas in my mind but I cannot express them clearly in English. I don't know the right words to use. I get confused with the sentence structure. Finding the right word is harder than forming sentences.
Okay. So, um, what usually, okay naman Okay, tama na. So, the fourth question is, how do you feel when you experience difficulty speaking English in front of your classmates or teacher?
I feel ashamed, like naulaw ko and also being afraid of judgment. Kay ano man god kay feel na ako sa environment full of perfectionist. So if makastoya lang kag small mistakes dala ka like gina-judge na ka from head to toe. So gina gina-avoid na ko nga mag tinani mag kato nga mag di na ko siya tawag ato.
Naglikay na
Oo,
lang ka.
ginalikay na lang ko sa mga temptation.
Mm-mm.
Oh, what kalimot ko.
Okay. Does it affects your confident gihapon ka bisag kaning ato or kining apektuhan ba imong confident due to your difficulties?
Still confident gihapon.
Mm-mm.
Because I know nga mali to siya. But instead of giving up, I choose to stay and looking forward to it.
So,
Ano nga te?
i-stop niyo.
Ah,
Okay na ba? Barkada na ba ito din?
galit ka. Wala pressure
Pero
ka.
okay naman, dili man gud
Wala pressure
present
ka.
ko dito
Oo.
o gali no. Di man i-present
I-transcribe
dito
naman,
o
di ba?
i-transcribe lang na. Iwala ko ni nga katakatawan ako. Bang manggugkamot. Nakakatawa jud ko. Last na lang ako question dire sa research question number 1. So 8 ra man ni kabuok 4 na ta ay ika 5 dire ta. So how do these speaking difficulties influence your participation during classroom interaction?
Sometimes I avoid reciting because I'm afraid of making mistakes. But I keep myself looking forward to answer, but only when I'm sure. I don't participate often because I have lack confidence, and also it affects my willingness to speak in class.
Mm. So do this difficult do you still try to speak even if it's hard?
Yes.
Okay. So move on from the second theme or the second major question. So the second major question is what strategies do confident learners employ to manage and overcome challenges regarding English speaking difficulties during classroom interaction? So the question really is what strategies do you use when you find it difficult to speak or express your ideas in English?
Actually, I have three simple strategy I used always to be confident in front. First is to use English words because starting this is the only way we can use sentences and connect sentences each other. And second one is you know the word na konyo mix
Mm.
Tagalog and English. And also I also mix Bisaya since Bisaya is our
Bisaya and
native
English
language.
also.
So from that I have many words to express more, and I think that is the best way to cope coping mechanism strategy.
Okay. So you are using tawag ato? Tong kan mag-ilis-ilis og language code
Code
switching.
switching, yeah.
Okay. Sige, question number 2 is how do you prepare yourself before participating in classroom discussion or presentation in English?
Ooh, I practiced well before reporting because one day, I have to share lang, one day before ko nag-report, usually gina-practice yun ako siya each part of my topic.
Mm.
Kay,
You meticulously practice
oo,
each of
oo, ginaano na ko siya. And also, gina-rehearse na ko in front of mirror. Like, I'm talking to myself, I'm talking to the mirror. And the way I communicate the information or convey information nga mo na tulog bata para mas magets na ako og maayo and ma-point out po na ako unsay gusto na ako ma-point out sa ila.
Okay, using interpersonal
Yes.
communication. So, you have a feedback to yourself, rapon.
Yes.
Pag tanaw mo sa mirror nga, "Oy, okay naman niya ako ang kuan." That's the way you practice your ano.
But sometimes makita mo sa kagalingon nga murag naay ko lang something. Hindi na ko siya i-improve. Kay since eskwela ko og education and education is important ba ano sen in the future may mong teacher man ta so gina gina encourage akong kagalingon nga to put myself to that.
Okay. So, question number 2, how do you manage situations when you forget a word or make mistakes while speaking English?
I try to rephrase my sentence. Like if na ako'y ma-convey a sentence nga ungrammatical, gina-rephrase na ko siya and turn into correct one.
How do you make it?
Like if something hindi siya good sa akong here and hindi siya good for everyone. So,
check kaning sa tawag ka na, kay kanang ikaw ra gyud mag-correct sa imong
Oo.
self, kanang intuition
I think,
mo.
yeah,
You use
like
your
that.
intuition. Okay. Okay. So, the fourth question here is, what practices do you do to improve your confidence and ability in speaking English during classroom interaction?
Practicing before speaking helps me the most because practice is the only tool that we can do in our life, especially when like when you're like reporting or talking to the front of people. Practice the only way nga para ma-express imong thoughts and also kanang makita mo gud nga nag-practice ka is pag muiso na ka sa bad people, prepared ka, like you have all information from the back of your head.
What are your other hobbies na naka-practice pod sa imuhang English speaking?
Oh, aside from reading, I like always go the look of pageant, especially in Q&A portion, because this kanang good nga part is help you not just about vocabulary but also the structure of sentences and also the how you delivered calmly. So from that, nakita na akong kagalingon na makaya na ko siya with the help of practice and patience.
Ay, okay. So, when you are watching a Q&A, you make also your answer.
Yes.
Murag ikaw kang
Oo.
itong kuan dito as
So
a
naging
brand.
thankful po ko nga na platform nga TikTok, and ang FYP na ko sa TikTok is pageantry. Then naigagawa siya kanang question, random question, na gina-answer po na ko siya. Gina-answer po na ko siya but even though mali, but I still prove nga makaya na ko siya. Makupa po na ko siya.
You are making answer on your
Oh.
own without the help of technology, but technology helps you nga kaning murag ma-exercise pwede mo nga kaning mga ma-practice ang
Yes,
imong
po.
English. Para ato you are using TikTok as a platform para practice in English. So last question, how have your strategies help you overcome your speaking difficulties over time?
Well,
How have your strategies help you overcome your speaking difficulties over time?
um, sa akong strategy nga gibuhat nako, I became more confident over time. So I thankful ko nga nabuhat nako to nga strategy, not just of myself but also the way nga ma-improve na akong kagalingon.
Thank you.
Thank you, ate.
My friends ta rin niya.
Lagi.
Kasi 1 year.
First year.
First year ka?